wholeness and prosperity to the True Enlightenment family. So, like as I said, I'm gonna be showing also. So previously, I showed how to get this Bitcoin through Solana just using the Phantom Wallet and Rocket Exchange on the Phantom web browser. So I was also saying how that's like a lot of gas fees involved in doing that, but it's simpler to an extent. But also, as I said, I'm going to show how to do it through Coinbase. So of course, you're going to want to have a Coinbase account already set up. You're going to want to have a Phantom wallet already set up, as well as CashApp Bitcoin. So you could also do it a different way if you want to use like a credit card or something like that through Coinbase and buy the Bitcoin through there. But in my experience, Bitcoin on Cash App has been real easy, nice, simple, and smooth. So you're going to want to deliver the Bitcoin from Cash App over to Coinbase. And then once you got it on Coinbase, bam, you're going to want to go to buy and sell, convert. You're going to want to convert Bitcoin to Solana. Okay, now be careful. Do this nice and slowly because Coinbase added something to where it automatically has it selected that you stake your coin for 5.11% APY. That's a good deal, honestly, to be honest. But in this case, in many cases, you're going to want to really be interacting with that currency the same day. And if you accidentally stake this, you're going to have to wait 5 days. And some currencies is different. It's even longer to get it unstaked, which is like staking is basically like putting in a savings account to incur interest. And they do a certain period lockup to where you can't get it out for a certain amount of days. So you're going to want to always turn this off unless that's your goal, to stake the currency. Now, once I've done that, order submitted. Yeah, that staking is serious business. Like, I was trying to send money one time and I needed it the same day, and it automatically staked it. I wasn't paying attention. So definitely pay attention to that. Now once you got that, you're going to want to go to transfer, send. Hold on. You're going to want to go to send, but you're going to want to go back to your Solana. Take this, receive, copy the address, allow the paste, let it go through. I want to send the max. It's a 1 cent network fee. Like what other chain is giving you that? Probably Polygon, but also watch. So once I send this off, get this code. Look how fast this is. I just sent it, right? Just sent it. I want to confirm that it's out my wallet. Already there. Bam. Like, what what currency, what chain is doing this? Like, this lightning quick. It's just as if I sent Cash App to one of my associates. So now you're going to want to take this Solana and convert it to Cahokia, because this currency right here is a new up-and-coming currency made by the Yamasee tribe. Oh, man. So look, it started out, when I got in, it was probably like 11 cent or 1 cent, like 0.011. Now it's at 0.016. So I'm already up. I'm already got gains, and this is not the only wallet that I have some in. So you're going to want to convert it. I noticed some people were experiencing a few difficulties when they tried to do the conversion. When I do this, I don't usually when I got some Solana in the wallet, I don't put it all in the currency right then and there, because each currency has their own drawbacks. Each like drawdowns, like when the market retraces and starts to turn the opposite way. So once the currency starts going down, that's when I start, they call it DCA, dollar cost averaging in. So I'll take $8 here, and as I see it dropping down, I'll put like $8 more, and I look an hour later and see it drop down more, put $8 more. You see what I'm saying? So that's how you DCA, dollar cost averaging, and that's how you do safe investments. I'm done. So I'm going to want to convert it. Let's see if it works, because a lot of people said they was having a little issue. Convert it. See, swap failed. No big deal. No problem. You don't have to go get another wallet or anything. You could just go to the web browser and start using the decentralized exchanges. So on the third one down, you have Radium DeFi, right? And you're going to connect your wallet here. Connects. See, Cahokia already pops up for me because I've used it before. But if you're having an issue getting the Cahokia address, look, this is how you do it. You click the coin, because this should pop up in your wallet, or if you got to add, see, manage tokens, type in CAHOKIA, and it will pop up. You could add it to your wallet, right? That's the way you do it. So now once you got that, you're going to go to view soul scan, and then you want to go to, you're going to want to go ahead and copy the SLP, the public key, right here. This SLP token address, copy it, right here. Return back to your Phantom wallet, go to the browser. This is if it's not popping up. Some people, it might pop up magically, but paste that, and then it will surely pop up, and you could add the token to your wallet. Now that you have that token, you can do the trade, the swap. You can do max, or you can break it down into little increments like I was going to show you before. See, that's $10 right there. 0.08 Solana is $10, and that is 630 Cahokia coins. And I'm going to confirm this swap. Transaction initiating. Confirm. Swap. See? And then just like that, see how it's 23 now? It already transferred into there. And it's real simple, so don't let the little error deter you from getting your coins pushed through. Thank you for watching, and I hope this benefited you. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Take everything you see with a grain of salt, and go and be prosperous. Thank you for watching again.